Good evening, and thanks for tuning into this weather webcast this Saturday evening. The biggest question, I think, on everyone's minds, is it going to snow on Christmas or isn't it? My answer is maybe. There are times we're very sure of the forecast, and we think it's going to be spot on, and we're right most of the time. Then there are days we're not quite so sure, and that uncertainty lies in the computer model forecasts that we use to predict what the weather's going to be. Now, I use about three. There are a couple more, but my main ones are three. There's the GFS, the European, and the NAM. They're all showing different outcomes as far as the storm's concerned. One says it's going to go well to our north. If it does that, we won't get any snow. Another one says it's going to go well to our south. If that happens, we'll get quite a bit of snow. Then the other one shows it coming right overhead, and that scenario is the one that we're going to go with for right now. We think at this point there's a chance we could see anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of snow if you live anywhere, let's say, north of this line. All this area right here, y'all could see anywhere from 1 to 3 inches. I would count on the lighter end of that spectrum. And then if you live anywhere from a line north of here to here, maybe a dusting, something not that measurable, to an inch if you're lucky of snow on Christmas Day. And then if you live anywhere around this area, you'll be lucky if you see any snow at all. And that's our forecast for right now. It is subject to change as that time period gets closer and closer and the models get a better grasp onto exactly where the storm is going to end up on Christmas Day and when it comes through. Now, there are a couple things we're very certain of. It is going to be cold. High temperatures topping out around freezing and then falling into the 20s by late afternoon. In addition to being cold, it's also going to be windy. Strong winds will blow any snow that falls from the skies, so travel conditions may be somewhat hazardous as visibilities on the roadways may be reduced. And if it's not snow, it might be dust. So do be cautious if you have travel plans on Christmas Day here in the High Plains. But the good news is Christmas Eve, if you plan on traveling that day, go for it. Looks pretty good. Also, the day after Christmas, that looks like a nice travel day as well. So there you go. That's my answer as far as snow goes on Christmas Day for now. Again, keep in mind, forecast subject to change as we get better, more accurate model data coming in. So stay tuned, of course, to Pro News 7 and Storm Search 7 for all the latest details on your Christmas Day forecast. If I don't talk to you before Christmas, you have a very Merry Christmas.